Welcome dear students. Let's learn about human reproduction. Male reproductive. The male reproductive system is responsible for producing sperm and the male sex hormone testosterone and for delivering the sperm for fertilization. Male reproductive system consists of following organs. Primary organs, testes. These are the primary sex organs located outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch of skin called the scrotum. The testes perform mainly two functions. One is spermatogenesis, producing male reproductive gamete sperm. Hormone production. It secretes the male sex hormone testosterone, which is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characters such as masculine body, production of beard, and maintaining the reproductive organs. Let's have a look of internal structure of the testis. Testis consist of lobules. In each testis is divided into approximately 250 lobules. Seminiferous tubules. Each lobule consists of 1 to 3 highly coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. Function. The tubules are the actual site of spermatogenesis. The process of producing sperm. These tubules are lined with spermatogenea known as immature male germ cells and Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells nourishes the developing sperm. Leydig cells. The region outside the seminiferous tubules, called the interstitial space, contains Leydig cells, or outside the seminiferous tubule, interstitial space is present, and this space contain Leydig cells or interstitial cells, which synthesize and secretes testosterone, which is a male reproductive hormone. Accessory ducts and their role. These are the supportive organs which are important for maturation and ejaculation of sperm. It includes following organs. Epididymis. It is a long coiled tube-like structure which is located on the posterior surface of both the testes. Here only the newly formed sperm get mature and gain the ability to swim. After maturation, the sperm get stored here. Vast difference. It is the tube-like structure which carries sperm from the epididymis up into the pelvic cavity. Vast difference. Loops over the urinary bladder and joins a duct from the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. A short duct that passes through the prostate gland and merges with the urethra. It is responsible for the movement of sperm into the urethra. 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 This is the terminal duct that extends through the penis. It is common passage for both urine from the urinary bladder and semen during ejaculation. Accessory glands. These are the glands that produce and secrete fluids, and this fluid that make up the bulk of the semen. These fluids nourish and protect the sperm and aid in their movement. Seminal vesicles. A pair of glands that secrete a fluid rich in fructose to provide energy for the sperm. Prostaglandin and clotting factors. Secretions of the seminal vesicle makes up about 60 to 70% of the semen volume. Prostate gland, a single large gland that surrounds the urethra just below the urinary bladder. It secretes a slightly acidic, milky fluid that contains citric acid phosphate and several enzymes such as fibrinolysin and acid phosphate. This secretion makes up about 20 to 30% of the semen. Bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland, a pair of small glands located beneath the prostate. This secretes a lubricating, which is clear alkaline fluid, into the urethra before ejaculation. This fluid neutralizes the residual acidity in the urethra from urine and lubricates the tip of the penis. All of these secretions combine with sperm to form semen, which contains nutrients and enzymes essential for the health and mobility of the sperm. Thank you.